Hello everybody, back to my video. This is Mazdak Shams and I am here to talk with something. Today I am teaching you something in a very unique way. Today I'm not gonna give you points. I will give you points, but I will talk to something and give you points, and that something is success. So let me call success because success is in contact with me. So let me call him or her or it. Let me call him success. Hello success. Today I'm here to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
So first you should tell me, where do you live? How we can find you?
You can't find me, but you can learn me. I am in life stories of successful people.
Success says we can learn him by reading the life stories of successful people. For example, if we learn or read the life stories of some successful people, for example, Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, Stephen King, Michael Jordan, so we will come to know the secret to success. Let me ask him the second question. My second question to success is, do you have clue?
Yes, if you see and identify the qualities of successful people, you may be able to recognize me.
Oh, it means you are hiring in qualities of successful people. If you can find those qualities and adapt them, so you might get successful. And my third and last and the very important question to success is, how we can define you?
Listen, to some people I may look or mean as wealth, but to others I may be known as happiness, satisfaction, or peace of mind. In other words, I define myself if someone has a worthy goal, so he is in progress to achieve me.
He actually wants to say, I mean success. He says that I am not a wealth, I am satisfaction. He means success is satisfaction, happiness, peace of mind, and also if you want to be successful, you also need a worthy goal. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, please thumbs up, subscribe my channel for more videos, and be connected with me. See you in next video. Goodbye.